Hi guys, welcome to Cook and Explore with Judy. We are in Las Vegas. I heard about donut bar. Celebrity comes to the shop to get donuts, and a lot of people come here, and it has great review. And I found it on Yelp.
I came here for the Homer donut. Can I please have one? Do you guys have any more s'more donuts?
We actually sold out of those big competitors, so what you see is what we have.
Okay.
If you like those, we have this famous creme brulee that one has little Oreo cookie, Nutella stuffed.
Oh, okay. Can I go with the Nutella?
Got it.
And that's it.
Right.
I got the homework donut and Nutella powdered sugar all over my lap.
Simpson donut. This is called the Homer donut. This is the size of my face. It's very delicious. Not too sweet.
We are at the pawn shop and we just arrived. Across from the pawn shop is Rick's Rollin Smoked Barbecue. I'm here at
the Pawn Stars.
Yep,
And right behind us is the Pawn Plaza.
you're right. Across from the pawn shop is Rick's Rollin Smoked Barbecue. I recommend you to try out the all-you-can-eat barbecue. You get up to 1 hour to eat whatever on the menu, and you get a pitcher of beer or soda. Here is some meat, and we went with number 8. All you can eat. I like the rib. It's really good. I dip into the sauce. I think it's called the mama sauce. I'm so hungry. Please excuse the way how I eat. Yeah, my husband is looking at me like, damn girl, you're that hungry? Yes, I am. Like and subscribe to my channel, Cook and Explore with Judy. We are in Las Vegas. This is their colored green and mac and cheese. I'm going to try both. Mac and cheese. We didn't want to eat a lot of side dishes. Instead, we only focus on eating meat. This is their beef tri-tip. I'm going to dip into the sauce. We are done eating. This is my souvenir cup. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.